Hey, welcome to Tortilla Takeover. I'm Kevin, and tonight we're doing rotisserie chicken tacos dorados. Basically, dorados is fried tacos. I love fried tacos. They're my most favorite thing to have. So tacos dorados. I had a leftover. Actually, it's not a leftover rotisserie chicken. I smoked it the other day just for this channel and just so we could do these tacos and maybe one or two other recipes coming up. But anyway, this is what they look like. Yeah, tacos dorados, you want to have that crispy shell. I ended up putting some lettuce and sour cream and hot sauce. Now Sal over at the Root Boy Cooks would not like my hot sauce because it is hot. So I did the sour cream and lettuce just to kind of tame it down. But yeah, tacos dorados. All right, let me show you how I put these together and we'll do a taste test. All right, here's a rotisserie chicken that I made in my pellet grill over at Man Kitchen Recipes. I'm going to take the chicken off of this, off of the carcass, and we'll show you a recipe from it. All right, there's our shredded chicken from our. That was just a little chicken. I think it was only. I don't even know if it was 4 pounds, but that's enough. That's why I did it on the rotisserie just so that we'd have this chicken for Tortilla Takeover. Right, for this rotisserie Tacos Dorados, aka fried tacos, because I love fried tacos. This is the shredded rotisserie chicken that I showed you, and I'm just going to add some salt, pepper, garlic, good amount, and I'm going to add. I'm going to go ahead with these. I'm going to add a little extra flavor with some Spanglish Asadero taco seasoning. Not a whole lot. It's pretty good stuff. Then I'm going to mix this up, and that'll be our rotisserie chicken for our tacos. All right, let me show you what to do next. So we're going to whip up six rotisserie chicken tacos dorados, and what I want to do is just heat up some corn tortillas in the pan before I add oil to get this all going. So basically, I'm just heating them up so they'll be soft. See, the edges are kind of curling up, and I'll flip it over. You can use tongs if you want. Just be real careful so that you don't burn your fingers. I do have some tongs here. So I'll just take these off, stack them, and just makes them softer. Here they are, nice and soft and warm, stacked on top of each other. Then I'm just going to take some chicken right now, fold it in half, and set it to the side, and then we'll fry these up in just a few minutes. You can have as much or as little chicken as you want. There they are. And I'm just going to cover them up for right now while the oil heats up, and then we'll fry them up. Okay, so I got some oil heating up in the pan. It should be hopefully hot enough. We'll find out with the first taco. Fried tacos, aka tacos dorados, or tacos dorados, aka fried tacos. Looks like it's hot enough. I usually put my shells, my tortillas in the oil to soften them up. Thought I'd try something a little different this time. There we go. Helps if you clean your lens. Don't touch the lens, right? I don't know if I can fit the other 3 in there or not. Let's try it. Look at that, nice and crunchy shell. There you go, tacos dorados. We're going to add some Chihuahua quesadilla cheese to a few of them. Unless I have enough for all of them, I'm getting pretty low. Oh yeah, I got enough. So, I love this white cheese. It's very good, very tasty, melty. And you can put whatever you want in your tacos. Most of the time I just do cheese and salsa. I made this homemade salsa with all the cherry tomatoes that we have, and I threw our homegrown jalapenos in here, and it's pretty hot. So we'll add the hot sauce to them and give them a taste. How easy was that? Tacos are super easy to make, and we love making tacos. We eat them all the time. So anyway, here is my Tacos Dorados. Now you can serve these obviously with beans, rice, whatever you want. Got some rice going back there in that great pan. So here we go. Mmm. Now that salsa that I made has a back heat. It's got the jalapenos from the yard, and this year they're pretty hot. Anyway, there's some of the salsa right there. Get the salsa, get the chicken. The rotisserie chicken is outstanding to make tacos with. And you know, you can buy a rotisserie chicken at Walmart or Sam's Club or Costco or wherever you shop, and take all the meat off and make tacos. It's fantastic. You can make a whole mess of tacos out of one chicken. So anyway, Sal, you wouldn't like my hot sauce? Add your own hot sauce, your favorite hot sauce, whatever you like on tacos. Make some chicken Dorados, chicken tacos Dorados, fried chicken tacos, and hope you enjoy them. Thanks for checking this out. Tortilla Takeover. Hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.